do something a little bit different today. We're going to make a punny card. So I was asked to do a guest design for YiXuan Scrapbooking, and this is one of the dies that they sent me. I do have a video. I'll have that attached. You'll see it up in the little right-hand corner, or possibly at the end of the video. I'll add it there as well, I think. No, I don't know how to do it at the end. I only know how to just, set it for YouTube to do that. But anyway, I really love this little cute die. I love how you can use it either way. So you can just make a little doggy biscuit, or you can do a shaker out of it. And so I chose to do both. Again, these little, not again, I'm just telling you this for the first time. So this is I think it's called Cute Little Sheep font, and I believe that I got this on Cricut. If not, that means I probably got it from DeFont, and then went ahead and put it into Cricut. So anyway, also I got this little doggy bowl from Cricut as well, and I just thought it's so cute with this little kawaii face. And then on the inside we have I Really Dig You. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. It is so easy, guys. You're just gonna love it. I forgot to mention that this little file right here did not come with a, how do you say, like a layering piece or whatever. And so what I did was I went ahead and created an offset for it. So I hope that helped. I also taped some white piece of paper on the background and then red for the lips. I just thought that came out really super cute. And don't forget that when you do glue that on there, that you only glue right here at the edges, right? Because otherwise you can't use your little bowl piece, okay? So anyway, I thought this was super cute. So let's go ahead and get started. card turned out. I just love it. No bones about it. I really dig you. Such a cute little pun, and I love the little doggy bone die. That is just adorable, and I love how you can make it a shaker too, but you don't have to. As you can see, I did it both ways on here. And again, don't forget to check out the little doggy bowl on Cricut as well. I'll have all the links down below for you. And I also have a discount code for YiXuan Scrapbooking, so definitely check that out. And I will be seeing you all next time with another design team project. Bye, guys.